In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate on GoDaddy. If you want to make your website more secure and help visitors trust your site, adding an SSL certificate is an important step. It helps protect information shared between your website and your visitors, and it also allows your site to use HTTPS, which is something many users now expect to see. To get started, go to your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website or domain where you want to add the SSL certificate. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look through the main dashboard so you can easily find the tools you need. Next, click on the Security section. This is where GoDaddy keeps products and services related to protecting your website and domain. If you don't immediately see it, just carefully scan the navigation menu and look for anything labeled Security. After that, click on SSL Certificates. This will take you to the page where you can view the available SSL options. On this screen, GoDaddy usually presents different plans, and each one is designed for different needs. Some plans may be better for a single website, while others may offer more features or broader coverage. Before choosing, it's a good idea to briefly review what each plan includes, so you can pick the one that best matches your site. Once you've decided which plan you prefer, click Add to Cart. This will place the SSL certificate in your shopping cart, so you can continue with the setup or purchase process. At this stage, make sure you selected the correct plan, especially if you're managing more than one website. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen. GoDaddy will guide you through the remaining process step by step. Depending on your account and hosting setup, you may be asked to confirm details related to your domain or website before completing everything. Just read each screen carefully and continue through the instructions provided. As you move through the prompts, take your time and double-check the information shown on each page. This helps avoid mistakes and ensures the SSL certificate is connected to the right website. And that's it. By going to your GoDaddy account, opening the Security section, selecting SSL certificates, choosing your preferred plan, adding it to your cart, and following the on-screen prompts, you can begin the process of securing your website with SSL.